Nike is no stranger to cushioning technology, and their latest innovation is no exception, introducing Joyride. As comfy as its title suggests, thousands of beads sit within zonally tuned pods, which in turn creates a shock-absorbing footbed that molds to the natural curves of your foot. Nike's all-new NSW setter is one of the first models to sport the comfy tech. Earlier this month, Nike released the first silhouette of the Joyride series with a fly knit upper. It was blue, it had the colorful beads, it was amazing, and it was also very tight. I ordered a true to size, which is a size 9 normally, and I guess because it's a running shoe, it's meant to fit very tight. I tried on a 9.5 in the store when I returned it, and it fit just fine, but at that point, I had already ordered the Nike Joyride CC3 NSW setter in this cool lifestyle silhouette and colorway. As you can see, this is white, it's not blue, it's got that nice Pantone color of the year, green. It's like a Volti mint green, and it has the awesome beads on the bottom, the TPE beads in pink and white mixed with the black and green, and you've got a winning silhouette and a winning colorway. So we're going to talk about this shoe today. Now, before I get too much into the review of the shoe, I have to tell you, I ordered a size 9.5, which is a half size larger than my true to size. And while lengthwise, I think I could have gone with a size 9, this was a beast to get on my foot, even being half a size bigger. The shoe does come with 2 pull tabs, and boy did I have to use them, as well as loosening up the laces in order to get my foot in the shoe, as well as out of the shoe. And since I've already spoken about fit, I have to say that I think lengthwise, yes, true to size would work. I did order half a size larger, as mentioned, and I think this will work just fine as well. So really, if you can get a hold of a Joyride for yourself, try it on, because I'm not comfortable telling you to go true to size or going up half a size. You really need to try this shoe on. It's a new silhouette. You've got to feel how it feels and feel how it fits, because only you know what's going to fit your feet best. Let's go on, shall we? The Nike Joyride NSW setter released on August 14th, 2019 and retailed for $190 US American dollars. The Joyride consists of cushioning pods that are visible through the translucent outsole, stuffed full of white, red TPE beads and encircled by green React foam. It offers an ultra soft comfort and extra contrast as well, thanks to the mix of red and white shades that conjure images of Dippin' Dots ice cream. This lifestyle sneaker features a soft React foam midsole and innovative bead pods, enabling a comfortable and personalized experience through a never-before lightweight cushioning technology. Moving above the green React foam, you have white foam, and it feels like React as well, with green bubbles, circles, dots, etc. And that seems to be the motif, the theme that goes throughout the shoe, possibly more than likely inspired by the TPE beads. This white midsole wraps all the way around with the green dots in a more complex and heavier pattern in the back of the shoe, and as it wraps around to the front of the shoe, there are less and less of the green dots. In the midfoot of the shoe, on the lateral side and the back of the shoe, you find this green plastic translucent material where you find the swoosh on the lateral side. And on the back of the shoe, you also find a swoosh on the back medial side, and then the circular bubble dot Joyride logo. On the medial side of the shoe, you will find a green leather material that is in that same color of the foam and that you find throughout the shoe. And in the middle of it, you have a return of that white leather-like material with, again, the return of the dots, circles, bubbles debossed into it. The upper is mainly white and has so many different textures, feels like so much different material, feels like mesh, feels like leather, feels like TPU tape. It starts off with big white circles, bubbles, dots on the lateral side of the shoe near the toe box. And as you go around, it kind of flattens out to pseudo squares on the back of the shoe. And then on the medial side of the front toe box area, it goes into a sort of thatch type pattern. On the front of the shoe, on the toe box, you find the big black Nike swoosh. And this draws your eye up to the lacing system, which is quite different and quite confusing if you just think it's the same way. You actually have to kind of look at how they laced it to get inspiration if you want to lace it the same way. The laces are white rope laces and have that nice Volt platinum green color on the aglets or lace tips. One lace tip has the black circle dot bubbles and the other has the black Nike swoosh. On the trim of that overlay where the lacing system goes, that almost seems like a burrito wrap, you have that green color that goes all the way around the top of the lip of the sock liner, and that's actually what you find inside the sock liner of the shoe. There is a non-removable insole that seems to be stitched into the midsole, primarily white, but you have that Volt yellow, Volt green, platinum, whatever they want to call it, swoosh, and the React bubbles, dots, circles sprinkled out throughout effervescently. Your two pull tabs, one on the front is primarily black with white hole punched and a sort of metallic material, and on the back it's all white in that rubber with the white metallic hole punch in the middle for that one. Wrapping around the medial side of the shoe towards the sock liner, you have a black suede-like material with the Nike Joyride branding printed on it in a bright orange. And as you see, it's the return of the Joyride logo, circles, bubbles, dots. All in all, I'm very excited that I got this shoe. I'm going to add it to my beaters collection, not because it's a beater, but because I want to wear it more often and get a feel for what this technology really is like. Give it another shot, see how it feels, because this one I just walked around in my house, did my own footage for you, but I think I need to give it a really good workout of a day of walking around. And again, when I say workout, I don't mean really workout. I probably mean walking around and shopping. Take a moment and let me know in the comments down below if you got the initial Joyride silhouette. Did you catch this silhouette? Did you get it in different colorway, etc., etc.? And what do you think about the silhouette, the colorway, and the comfort? Squishy thick, right? Do you like that? Do you not like it? What do you think? Does it compare to Boost? Where do you rank it compared to Boost? Ultra Boost, of course. And to all of you out there, wherever you are, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and just chill to the next episode.